Welcome to the program. My name is Brenda Zeda Rajido. Let's begin with Meru County, where the County Assembly Minority Whip Dennis Kiogora has tabled a motion seeking to impeach Governor Kawira Mwangaza. In the motion, Kiogora has accused the county boss of breaching the constitution and making illegal appointments. The motion has been supported by 38 ward representatives in Meru County. Some of the allegations tabled against Kawira are the appointment of her husband to the Meru County office, the roadside appointment of county workers at Timau, Nkubu, and Kianjai, contempt of court, and illegal dismissal of staff. The MCs claim the governor has on many occasions surpassed the constitution and statutory functions of county organs.
This charge against the governor is nepotism, illegal appointments, unlawful dismissals, and usurpation of the constitutional and statutory functions of county organs. Under this charge, we have the appointment of the husband to county offices, roadside appointment of county workers at Mau, roadside appointment of county workers at Nkubu, roadside appointment of county workers at Kianjai, contempt of court, and illegal dismissals. The second charge is incitement, bullying, vilification, and misleading campaigns against other leaders. Under this one, we have humiliation of the minority leader, vilification of the minority chief whip and other leaders, vilification of the senator of Meru County, vilification of the cabinet secretary for agriculture, vilification of the MP for Tigania East constituency, vilification of the Catholic Church and the clergy. The third charge is forceful entry into the assembly precincts and mobilization of unlawful riots against the members of the county assembly. The fourth charge is violation of public finance management laws, and the fifth charge is misconduct relating to the nomination of CECs. Preamble. Whereas Article 10 of the Constitution, Section 3 and 16 of the Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, and Sections 9, 10, and 12 of the Public Officer Ethics Act of 2003 establish, among others, the rule of law, democracy, human dignity, courtesy, respect, social justice, inclusiveness, equality, human rights, probity, professionalism, non-discrimination, protection of the marginalized, good governance, transparency, and accountability as part of the national values and principles of governance. 2. Articles 10, 73, and 75 of the Constitution require state officers at all times, whether in public or private life, to behave in a manner that, among other things, 1. Brings honor to the nation and dignity to the office that a state officer holds. 1. Ensures decisions are not influenced by nepotism, favoritism, or other improper motives. 3. Demonstrates discipline and commitment in service to the people. And 4. Avoids demeaning the office that an officer holds. Articles 10, 232, 235, and 236 of the Constitution and Sections 59, 59A, 60, 62, 63, 64, and 65 of the County Governments Act 2012 provide for the values and principles of public service and establish an elaborate framework for the establishment of county public offices and the recruitment, employment, and dismissal of county public officers. Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33 of the County Governments Act and Standing Order number 65 of the Standing Orders of the Assembly provide for the impeachment of county governors for, among other things, 1. Gross violation of the Constitution. 2. Gross violation of any other law. 3. Abuse of office. And 4.
Right there, developing story about that impeachment motion that has been tabled on the floor of the House in Meru County Assembly. Definitely, we will give you more details as and when we get it of that impeachment process. But then we cross over to Parliament buildings live and bring in my colleague Emmanuel to talk to us about the maize farming